The Rimac Nevera bursts onto the scene as an electric hypercar that fuses blistering speed with luxury restraint. Its quad-electric motors deliver jaw-dropping power and a no-compromise launch feel that rewrites what an EV can do on a track. The 120 kWh battery pack powers a torque vectoring system and a carbon chassis that keep handling precise and composed at high speeds. Design merges aggressive aerodynamics with refined surfaces, while a prominent rear wing helps stabilize the car in corners at speed. In everyday use it exudes refinement, yet at full throttle it becomes a precision instrument for the road.